Hi, I'm Denise, and I am going to show you the instructions as far as wrapping your scarf on yourself. It is reversible, so you have two sides. You have one that might show more plaid, and another side that might show more solid. This scarf has a carabiner clasp on it. I'm going to take it so the point is headed towards the floor. Crisscross it in the back and bring it to the front. Work with it and adjust it however you want to see your colors. Take the carabiner, open it, and put it through the grommet. And voila, there you go.